Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 5 of English Reader, the Open Sky book. We were discussing the story The Dancing Princess. In this chapter we have discussed the story in detail. Those who did not attend the previous class, they can watch the video. They can watch the previous video. And dear students, today I have told you in the previous classes I have told you that to complete the word meaning of this chapter, today I will complete the word question answer as well as the other exercises given in the chapter number 5. Okay students, the summary, for summary you can visit the previous video. Okay, in the previous video we have explained the whole story in detail. Okay, you can read the chapter by visiting the previous video. Okay students, now today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. I hope that you all have written the word meaning of this chapter. Okay, word meaning is already given in your book. Those who did not complete it, they will complete. It is given at the page number 45. And today we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Question number exercise number first. Just see, it is given at the page number 46. Dear students, you also open your notebook and start writing the question which is given at the page number 46. Just see, what is the question? First exercise is given the answer the following question. First exercise is that answer the following question. Answer the following question. This is your, there are so many questions. You have to give the answer of that. Answer the following question. Okay, after writing the word meaning, you will write the question answer. Okay, question you will write from the book. I will write only the answer on the board. Okay, students, you will write the question from your book. It is given at the page number 46. What is the first question? Why was the king very much disturbed? In this story, I have told you that the king was very much disturbed because of the worn out shoes of his daughters. And the king had 7 daughters, and every morning he found that the shoes of his daughter worn out. Therefore, he was very much disturbed with this matter that where do the daughters go in the night. Okay students, when you will read this story, you could solve the all questions. You can complete all the exercises very easily. Okay students, so it is necessary to know the story first. After understanding the story, you will solve the question, you will write the answer. Okay, so first of all you write the question, why was the king very much disturbed? I am going to write the answer number A. Okay students, just write down the answer. After writing the question, you will write the answer from the board. Question you will write from the book. Just write down the answer. The king was very much disturbed. I am writing the answer, you will also write. The king was very much disturbed . The king was very much disturbed to see the worn out shoes, of his daughters. Every morning. Okay students, this is the answer of question number first. This is the answer of question number A. What was the question? The question was, why was the king very much disturbed? The king was very much disturbed to see the worn out shoes of his daughter every morning. Okay, students, this is the correct answer of the question number A. Just write it. The king was very much disturbed to see the worn out shoes of his daughter every morning. Okay, students, after completing this answer, you will write the question number B. You will write the question number B. What is the question number B? The question number B is, what notice did the king send? Dear students, when you will read the story, you will find that the king sent a notice that those who will find out the secret of worn out shoes, he will reward him. He will he could choose the any princesses to get married. Okay, students? So this is the answer. First of all, you will write the question. What is the question? What notice did the king send? Okay, just write down the question. What notice did the king send? Okay, I am going to write the answer. The king sent a notice. The king sent a notice. The king sent a notice saying that if anyone who could find out the secret, just write it. The king sent a notice saying that if anyone who could find out the secret of his daughters worn out shoes could choose a princess that is C, princess for himself. Okay, student, this is the answer. You write himself. It is not clearly visible. Therefore, I am going to read it. Himself. S-E-L-F. Okay, just write the answer. The king sent a notice saying that if anyone who could find out the secret of his daughter's worn out shoes could choose a princess for himself. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number B. The king sent a notice saying that if anyone who could find out the secret of his daughter's worn out shoes could choose a princess for himself. Okay, students, so this is the answer of question number B. Next question, question number C. You write the question number C. What is the question number C? Question number C is, why did the king ask the prince to leave? Okay, dear students, when we were reading the story, we have seen there was a prince who came to try his luck, to find out the secret, but he had slept. He couldn't find out the secret. Therefore, the king said him to leave the palace at once. Okay, students? So this is the answer. Why did the king ask the prince to leave? Okay? First of all, you write the question. I am going to erase it. The first answer. I hope that you all have written the first answer. If anyone has any kind of problem in writing, can ask. Okay, just see the question number C. You write the question from the book. I will write the answer only here on the board. What is the question? Why did the king ask the prince to leave the palace? Just write down the answer, student. The king asked the prince. The king asked the prince The king asked the prince to leave Okay, the king asked the prince to leave because he could not say, because he could not say anything about the worn out shoes, about the worn out shoes. In the morning. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number C. Just see the question number C. What is the question? Why did the king ask the prince to leave? The king asked the prince to leave because he could not say anything about the worn out shoes in the morning. He was sleeping there. He couldn't find out the secret. What was the reason behind it? What was the reason behind the worn out shoes? Because he had slept, therefore he couldn't able to tell the king what was the reason behind the worn out shoes. Okay, students, so you write the answer number C. Okay, and after completing this answer, you will write the question number D. Okay, which is given at the page number 46. What is the question number D? What advice did the old woman give to the soldiers? Okay, students, in the story it is written that when a soldier was going towards the palace to try his luck to find out the secret, on the way he met with an old woman lady, and she advised the soldiers not to drink anything if any princesses will give him, and she also gave him a magical cloak. Okay, after wearing that cloak, no one can see him. Okay, that would be the helpful for following them. Okay, students, so this is the answer of the question number D. But what is, first of all, you will write the question. What advice did the old woman give to the soldier? Okay, you write the question from the book. Then after we will discuss the answer of this question. Okay, students, I am going to erase this answer. I hope that you all have done. Therefore, I am going to erase the answer number D. Okay, you write the question number D. Now we will discuss the answer number D. Answer number D. Just see. Just write down the answer. The old woman advised. The old woman. The old woman advised. The old woman advised the soldier not to drink. The old woman advised the soldier, that is in singular. Okay, student? The old woman advised the soldier not to drink anything. Not to drink anything. Not to drink anything that the princesses would give you. Would give. And the next, also he should wear. Also he should wear the magic clock. The magic clock. CLOAK. The magic cloak. Cloak means I have told you, student. It is a kind of garment, loose garment. Should wear the magic cloak so that the princess, PRINCESS. So the princesses could not see him. Could not see him when he follows them. When he follows them. He follows them. Okay, student, this is the answer of the question number D. Just write it. What was the question? What advice did the old woman give to the soldiers? The old woman advised the soldiers not to drink anything that the princesses would give him. Also, he should wear the magic cloak so that the princesses could not see him when he follows them. Okay, student, this is the answer of question number D. You must complete it. You complete it soon. Okay? And after completing this answer, you will write the question number E. What is the question number E? What did the soldier see at the bottom of the stairs? What did the soldier see at the bottom of the stairs? At the bottom of the stairs, the soldier saw the tree twigs. Okay? Beautiful tree twigs. Okay, students, so write down the question. Question number E. Just write down the question. I am going to erase the answer number C. I hope that you all have done the answer number C. If anyone have any kind of problem related to the chapter, can ask. You see the question number E. Question number E. You will write from the book. I will write the answer here. What is the question? what did the soldiers see at the bottom of the stairs? The soldiers saw, I'm going to write the answer. The soldiers saw beautiful trees, which had silver leaves, which had silver leaves, at the bottom of the stairs. At the bottom of the stairs. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number E. You write it in your notebook. Just see the answer. What is the question first? Question number E. What did the soldiers see at the bottom of the stair? The soldiers saw beautiful tree which had silver leaves at the bottom of the stairs. Okay, students. So this is the answer of question number E. So students, in this way we have completed the question answer of the chapter number 5, that is the dancing prince. Dear students, in the next class we will discuss the exercises, true false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter. Okay students, if you have any kind of doubts, any kind of problems, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.